Hey friends, so you've probably seen those ads for Glycocept, promising to support healthy glucose levels naturally and help you feel more balanced without harsh meds. Today, I'm giving you the honest review, what the supplement claims, the site check, real user feedback, pros and cons, plus red flags so you know if it's legit or a scam. Let's keep it simple, okay? Basically, Glycocept is a daily capsule supplement made to help maintain healthy blood sugar, support metabolism, reduce cravings, and give steadier energy. It uses natural ingredients like berberine, chromium, and plant extracts that supposedly improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. First impressions? The bottle looks clean and professional, capsules are easy to swallow, and the routine is simple. Honestly, the promises sound good if you want a natural option, but many similar products use the same ingredients with big hype. Okay, now let's do a quick website legitimacy check. ScamAdvisor gives Glycocept.com a low 46 out of 100 trust score. Gridinsoft scores it 60 out of 100 and says trusted but verify. Scam Detector gives it only 23.9 out of 100. The domain is about 2 months old. Overall, it leans toward proceed with caution. Secure payments exist, but the young age, low to moderate scores, and hidden details make it feel risky. Moving on to real user experience and reviews, Trustpilot has 0 score and 0 reviews, no profile at all. On YouTube and forums, feedback is sparse and mostly skeptical. Some users say they felt slightly steadier energy or fewer cravings after a few weeks, but many report no noticeable change in blood sugar or call it overhyped with little real proof. Independent testers often say the ingredients are common, but the dramatic claims lack strong backing. The pattern is mixed to negative, mild support for some, but most feel it's not worth the money. Now, pros and cons from actual use. Pros: easy capsules, natural ingredients that some notice give mild energy or craving control, and no major side effects reported for most. Cons: results are slow or none for many, no strong blood sugar control, pricey for what you get, and honestly, it doesn't replace real medical advice or lifestyle changes. If you're expecting big improvements fast, this probably won't deliver. Here's one key point on additional evidence and red flags. The marketing uses dramatic testimonials that mostly stay on the official site. Very few independent long-term reviews exist, and the low trust scores plus young domain are classic red flags for these quick-launch blood sugar supplements. So, putting it all together, natural ingredients with some mild energy or craving benefits reported by a few users, but low trust scores, 46 out of 100 ScamAdvisor, 60 out of 100 Gridinsoft, 23.9 out of 100 Scam Detector, 2-month-old domain, no Trustpilot reviews, and overhyped claims make the picture clearly lean toward proceed with caution. My honest take? It's likely a real product that ships something, but the risks and lack of strong results make it not worth buying. Skip it and talk to your doctor about proven ways to manage blood sugar. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.